Hi there, it's Belinda Kirkpatrick here. I'm a naturopath and a nutritionist, and you can follow us at The Happy Mammoth for more tips and videos. Today I'm going to be chatting to you about hair health. Now, hair is a topic that I'm really passionate about. So many women that I see in my clinic are trying to improve the health of their hair, work out why it's dropping, breaking, or just not growing. So it's something that I talk about a lot. Now, hair absolutely can get thinner and more brittle over time, and it's particularly susceptible to hormonal changes as well. Now, one of the first things we need to do is really look after our hair, have a bit of a hair routine, so to speak. So I like to get regular trims, I like to use a hair mask every couple of weeks, and I also tend to not overwash my hair. Now, that doesn't suit everybody because everybody's got different hair types. So if your hair's a bit drier, it might be better not to wash it as much. You know, if it does get oily, you may need to wash it a little bit more. Definitely look at the types of products that you're washing your hair with. So if you're using shampoos and conditioners that are loaded with parabens and sulfates, you may actually find that those products actually don't help the long-term health of your hair, and you might be better off looking for a natural product. There definitely isn't one product that suits everybody, so it may be a little bit of trial and error. Don't overstyle or overheat your hair, but at the same time also don't really rigorously towel dry your hair because that can cause breakage as well. I personally love scrunchies as opposed to elastic hair bands because it does tend to rip your hair less and it's much more gentle. I'm also a secret fan of the silk pillowcase. The other thing that I'd recommend is to get regular trims so that you're really looking after the health of your hair. Now, none of this stuff works if the health inside doesn't match the routine that you're doing on the outside. One of the most important things you can be doing is getting adequate protein in your diet. Now, hair is made up of protein, as is our skin and nails. And if we're not getting enough protein in our diet, we can't have healthy hair. It won't grow, it won't be strong. So bump up protein in your diet and try to reduce things that kind of really can affect your nutrient levels, like too much sugar and processed carbohydrates. Absolutely add the omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. This really helps to hydrate your hair in addition to making it strong and keeping your hormones happy at the same time. So you can add in things like oily fish, walnuts, chia seeds, and really trying to get some of these good fats in most days to really improve the health of your hair. Don't overconsume, like I said, sugar and alcohol because that's never a great idea, and definitely don't crash diet. When we're doing these extreme calorie increases and decreases in our diet, we'll often tend to see the negative effects of those in our hair and our skin. And they don't work either, right? If you're concerned about your hair, it's important to go and get your vitamin D levels checked, check your iron levels, and also your thyroid. These three things are really common underlying issues behind hair loss in women and hair thinning. And don't forget stress. Stress has been shown to really increase hair dropping and can affect the growth of your hair as well. So we know that if you've had a really stressful event, there could be significant hair loss up to 3 months later. So looking at meditation, exercise, getting enough sleep, those basics are actually really important for your hair as well. Now, some of my favorite ingredients for hair that I try to include daily to really help to support the health of my hair, but also my skin and my nails as well. So it's a little bit of a bonus. So first of all, there's Aquaman F. Now, this is a red algae. It's found off the coast of Iceland, and it's basically just a seaweed that is super high in calcium. Now, this is a plant-based form of calcium which suits a lot of women. So many women I see in my clinic do not get enough calcium in their diet. Now, you don't need dairy for calcium if you're somebody that doesn't consume much dairy, but you do need calcium for healthy hormones, healthy bones, and healthy hair. Hormonal fluctuations can cause depletions in calcium and magnesium, and it's really important that we're getting enough in our diet. So adding this red algae, this Aquaman F, this particular compound in there, is an amazing way of boosting calcium that then helps with your hair as well. Another one I love is bamboo silica. Now, we've all seen how bamboo can just take over the garden, or you've seen bamboo forests on the internet, or maybe in real life if you're lucky enough to have traveled somewhere like that. And part of the reason that bamboo goes crazy is because it contains so much silica, and silica is fantastic for growth. Silica also stimulates collagen production, which we know can lead to healthy, happy hair and gorgeous skin as well, reducing some of those wrinkles. So bamboo silica, absolutely wanting to add that in. Another one I love is a Spanish extract from pomegranate, and it's called Pomanox. Now, Pomanox is a specific compound from pomegranate that is a great antioxidant. So it's kind of like an age shield for your hair, but also, again, skin and nails. They all go hand in hand together, so you get the best out of both. One of the most exciting things about Pomanox is that clinical trials have shown that it can not only increase the growth of your hair, but also the speed at which it grows as well. It's a no-brainer for healthy hair. If you guys are unsure of which product to be taking or what to be doing, you can take the Happy Mammoth Health Assessment Quiz, and that can really help to work out, or help you to work out, which products might be right for you. So I hope this video gave you some good tips on how to improve the health of your hair so we can all have the vibrant length of hair that we want and the bounciness and the hydration, because it really does make you feel great when the health of your hair is great. It's also giving you a good look at what's going on the insides when our outside is healthy as well. So we want to look after the inside and the outside. Hope this helps, guys.